You have seen many videos like these.
Way for Augustus, marking the transition from republic to empire. The Pax Romana, a golden age of peace and prosperity.
I will teach you how to make these videos. If you get any knowledge from this, then please like, share and subscribe. It will help me a lot. The application we will be using is Weed.io. It is an AI application used to make videos. So we will here start for free. After this window will appear, and from here we can create our account. As I have already made my account, but I will teach you the exact same method how to make an account. So simply click on your Gmail account and this will create your account. It is so easy. Everyone can do it. You can see you have to choose your name. So choose any name you want to like, and it will ask you some questions like what you're using it for. So you can make your own selection. I'll choose it quickly and then we will go to another step. So here this is our plan, but we will cancel it. So click on continue with our free plan and this window will appear. Now here we can change anything, but we will be using text to AI app. These are the captions. You can use any of these captions and you can select any voice from here. Basically we will use Adam voice, but you can use any voice. There are tons of voices. So here we will continue on script and I can use this script. It is pre-made script. So here it is preparing video. It will take some time as it is AI generated. So wait for 2 or 3 minutes. I will skip the video so you can enjoy the process. As you can see, our video is being made.
Woven with triumphs, tragedies, and transformations, founded in 753 BC. It began as a humble village, but soon evolved into a powerful republic. The Punic Wars showcased Rome's military prowess, particularly against...
As you have seen, it has created a wonderful video. We can write our script on our own. You can use ChatGPT or other softwares. These are the best videos you can make. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then please share and subscribe.